Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best bike racks for cars on Amazon. Unless you literally ride the bike everywhere, a good, lightweight bike rack can be a smart investment when it comes to transporting the bike safely. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Allen Sports Deluxe Hitch-Mounted Bike Rack. Need to carry a lot of bikes at once without breaking the bank? This is the basic value the Allen Sports Deluxe Hitch Rack offers. Coming in 2, 3, 4, and 5 bike designs, the mainframe of the rack is simple yet strong. Regular road and mountain bikes fit on top of the protruding tubes, so you can load and unload a bike just by lifting up. The hitch comes in locking and free carrying designs. Made of painted steel, the carrying arms and vertical post fold down, so you can access the rear of the vehicle without removing the entire rack as well. As a budget hitch rack, the hitch mount has some room for improvement, literally. The frame locks into most factory and OEM hitches, but there is some play up and down. Under heavy loads or on rough roads, the frame is likely to bounce up and down more than other hitch-mounted racks. Number 2. Swagman XC Cross Country 2 Bike Hitch Mount Rack. Coming with the ability to hold almost any type of bike without taking up roof or trunk space, the Swagman XC Hitch Rack is a top performer when it comes to keeping bikes safe during transport. Compatible with road, mountain, recumbent, and fat bikes, with additional trays, the rack is a flexible carrier that is quick to load-unload. The adjustability and ease of use are 2 areas where the rack shines. The horizontal carrier bars slide in and out to accommodate different wheelbases and tire sizes. Mounting a bike simply requires getting the tires into the trays and lowering the central arm down onto the frame. While the price ought to be attractive to budget users, some of the parts suffer from a lower level of construction quality. Small parts like the locking pins and areas of the frame are prone to rust in bad weather, causing the moving arm to seize up if not properly maintained. Number 3. Tiger Auto Deluxe 1 Bike Trunk Mount Bicycle Carrier Rack. Another great trunk rack is the Tiger Auto Deluxe 1 Bike Trunk Mount Bicycle Carrier Rack. It fits most sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs, except those with rear spoilers. This rack accommodates one bike that weighs up to 55 pounds, but it is also available in 2 and 3 bike versions. It has a safety strap and padded lower frame that protects the vehicle's finish. The rack also includes soft cradles, so it won't damage your bike frame, and ratchet buckles. The rack is coated for rust resistance and has foldable arms, so it's easy to store when not in use. It is sturdy, good quality, and doesn't slip or loosen during use. It takes just minutes to install, and it comes with a limited lifetime warranty should you have any problems. Number 4. Yakima Frontloader Bike Rack. The Yakima Frontloader Bike Rack is one of the few roof racks that's compatible with a wide variety of bikes and crossbars. The individual rack will fit on any Yakima crossbar, in addition to a number of other third-party crossbars. The design of the rack does a good job of balancing security and frame protection. The bike's front tire is locked into place by the frame's mount without having to touch the actual bike frame or remove the front tire. With a tire range of 20 to 29 inches under 3 inches wide, the rack can hold most road and mountain bikes. The frame is designed for long-distance travel more than the daily commute. Getting the bike onto the rack can be difficult compared to hitch and trunk-mounted racks, so carrying a bike for a short lunch ride each day may be a challenge. Number 5. Allen Sports Premier Trunk-Mounted Bike Rack. If you don't have a trailer hitch and don't want to transport your bike on the roof, consider the Premier Trunk-Mounted Bike Rack. This rack fits on sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs, so there's a good chance it will work with your vehicle as long as you check compatibility. The rack has 16-inch long carry arms that can accommodate up to 3 bikes with a 100-pound total capacity. It also features dual compound tie-down cradles that secure and protect the bikes, as well as extra large pads to distribute the weight and protect the finish from damage. Users report that the rack is sturdy, lightweight, and durable. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, So do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.